Today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Pilot Touring. It's got 40,000 miles on it. It's crystal black pearl in color. Okay, it's clean CARFAX One-Owner. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. It's got the nice chrome trim around the windows, turn signals in the side mirrors, chrome door handles, got your lock unlock button there. It is equipped with the sunroof. It's 3 rows of seats. Okay. Driver's side of the Pilot's in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear park assist, rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. It does have the lock unlock button here on the door handle as well. Got your blind spot monitoring camera. Alright, once again, it's a 16. It's certified. It's got 40,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX One-Owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The gray and black door panels. Got your memory seats, right? Memory driver seat. Power windows, power locks. Got your power mirrors here. Park assist, lane departure warning, collision alert. Got your econ button here. Your blind spot monitoring camera button there. All right, it does have gray leather seating. It's a power driver seat. All right, driver seat's in great shape. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay, got your DVD player back there, and we'll check that out in just a second. Alright, it does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Got a spacious area here. Lots of depth in there. Power outlet, USB, auxiliary. Passenger seat leather also is in really good shape. No problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your push button transmission. Heated seats, dual climate controls, push button start. It's going to have your radio display right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got your paddle shifters back here. Okay, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 40,879 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Alright, these are all your apps. Let's go ahead and activate navigation. Alright, let's activate backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there as well. And then your blind spot monitoring camera. Alright, and it's a camera, gives you the visual of your blind spot. It's a really nice safety feature that Honda offers. Got your dual climate controls, push button start, heated seats. Got 2 USB ports and a power outlet here. Once again, got that push button transmission. Okay. Go ahead and hop out and take a look in the back seat. Alright. Door panels back here in good shape. Got the sunscreen that comes up for the kiddos back here. It's got 2 wireless headphones. Got your DVD player here. Okay. I'm going to give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. Alright, now this is the second row seats. Okay, leather's in great shape, no issues at all. Center console comes down, got the cup holders there. Okay, and it's got a button here and a button on the back side of these seats. Alright, simply press that button. The seat's going to slide up automatically, and that's going to give you access to the 3rd row. Alright, 3rd row leather looks great, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Got the power lift gate, simply press that button. Alright, nice and smooth coming up. It's got the nice rubber protector mat here. Now you can see when that 3rd row's up, it's going to cut into the space just a little. Super easy to get these down. Just pull the strap, seats fall down. Alright, and then I'll step to the side. You can see how much depth that opened up. Now you got a lot of room to work with. Alright, simply press that button there. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. I believe these are 20-inch alloys. Let's see, yeah, 20-inch alloys with a nice gray trim. Brand new set of tires on here. Plenty of tread. Alright, once again, it's a 16. It's certified. It's got 40,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX One-Owner. This thing's in fantastic shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.